Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. Hey, Happy New Year. It's actually been a couple of weeks since I put up a video with the holidays and vacation time. It kind of cuts into my barbecue schedule, so we don't like that. I have a lot of cooks coming up over the next couple of months and in fact this weekend. And one of the seasonings I use more than anything else on almost everything I cook is an SPG or a salt, pepper, garlic blend. It's something that I used to buy, but we use so much of it around the house, literally on everything. It's great on eggs, tater tots, hash browns, you name it. So I go through a ton of it. So I started to make my own a couple of months ago, and frankly, I like this recipe better than what I used to buy. So I got this from James over at Aim'em and Claim'em Barbecue. I'll put the link up above, but this is something he uses in competition, so this is real deal. It's surprising how simple it is. It's very inexpensive and it's delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this here real quick for you guys tonight. Make it your own, put whatever you want in it. I've modified his recipe a little bit. So stay tuned, I'll be right back and I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing assembled. I mean, it's pretty simple. We're going to use some kosher salt. We're going to use some garlic. I like to use not garlic powder, but the minced garlic, the little bigger chunks. I have some onion powder, which obviously is not in SPG, but I like to add a little bit of this in here, and some coarse ground black pepper. I like to use the coarse ground. And I'm going to put it in a shaker. This is what I typically buy when I do buy it. Killer Hogs, the AP rub, all-purpose. It's an SPG. It's my favorite, but I just use the shaker because it has nice big holes in it, and it works really well. So that's what I'm going to use to shake it with. The recipe for this is 4, 2, 1. So 4 parts kosher salt, 2 parts garlic, 1 part pepper, and then I also add 1 part onion powder. So in this case, it's 4, 2, 1, 1. I have here 4 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of my garlic, 1 tablespoon of crushed coarse ground, I should have said coarse ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And it's pretty tough stuff. You just mix it up. And I usually, sometimes I'll sit around and watch TV and just, once it's in the shaker, just kind of shake-a-roo, technical term. The more you shake it, the better it gets mixed up. I suppose you could put this through a coffee grinder if you wanted to make it smooth, but I really like it like this. The little bursts of flavor that come out of the chunks is really delicious. So anyway, it's as simple as that. I put this as a base layer on almost everything. So whenever I refer to an SPG or salt, pepper, garlic, this is what I'm talking about. It's really delicious. You're going to love it. It doesn't cost much to make, and I think you're going to find it really adds a lot of flavor to everything you do. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, and it's just that simple. You know, pick this thing up, shake it every once in a while. I don't think I would grind this, but it does help to mix it up as much as possible just to blend those flavors together. So very simple, very easy. You're going to love it. We use this on everything we cook. I swear you will not be sorry if you make up a batch of this. So make it your own. Put whatever you want in it. I added some onion powder to mine. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.